Hi, this is Monica from Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you the 2-stitch I-cord bind off. Now we're going to add 2 extra stitches to the right needle using the backward loop cast on. Now here's my working yarn. I'm going to make a loop like this, and I'm going to place that loop on the right needle and tighten it. Now I'm going to make another loop like this, and I'm going to place that one on the right needle and tighten it. And here I have 2 extra stitches. Now we're going to move the 2 stitches to the left hand needle like this. Make sure the working yarn is in the back. And now the other stitch. You can move them together if that's what you prefer. Now we're going to knit the first stitch, and we're going to slip the following stitch purlwise like this. Now we're going to knit the first stitch on the left hand needle, and we're going to pass the stitch we slipped over that stitch like this. Now we're going to move both stitches to the left hand needle again. We're going to knit the first stitch and slip the following stitch purlwise. Now we're going to knit the following stitch on the left hand needle, and we're going to pass the stitch we slipped over. One more time. We're going to move these 2 stitches to the left hand needle. We're going to knit the first stitch. We're going to slip the following stitch purlwise. Then we're going to knit the next stitch on the left hand needle, and we're going to pass the stitch we slipped over. And here you can see the beginning of the I-cord bind off. We're going to continue. Slip both stitches to the left hand needle, knit the first stitch, slip the following stitch purlwise, knit the next stitch on your left hand needle, and pass the slipped stitch over. And here you can see the 2-stitch I-cord bind off forming. One more time. I'm going to slip these stitches back to the left hand needle, knit the first stitch, slip the following purlwise, knit the first one on the left hand needle, and pass the slipped stitch over. I'm going to continue. Now I'm going to slip these 2 stitches off to show you what the I-cord bind off looks like. And here it is. So you're going to continue till the end, and when you get to the end you can just place these 2 stitches on a stitch holder until you're ready to graft both sides together using the Kitchener stitch.